So now put a heading now, electromagnetic waves. Okay, the topic name is electromagnetic waves. So which is the last chapter in your part 1 book. Yes or no? In a part 1 book, if you see NCERT book la, this is the last chapter. Okay, electromagnetic waves. Okay, first understand what is that I am trying to tell, then after you can note down the answers for it. Okay, so the question is here, how these electromagnetic waves are generated, basically generated, produce, whatever you can say. So generally you have studied from the first chapter to last chapter, what is the things you can observe and what are the things you can actually take out, right? So certain points are there. So in the first chapter you studied, first two chapters are that the chapter where the charge is actually zero. Yes or no? Charge is at a rest. Yes or no? So what is this? We have studied it as a electrostatics. Yes or no? Charge is at rest. Electrostatics. Even though charge is at rest, it will actually generate what is it here? Electric field or not? Yes or no? Around this one, what is it? We'll have a electric field. So electric field will not be equal to zero, but magnetic field is completely zero in this situation, right? And now I can say V is equal to zero. Na? Charge is at a rest. Am I correct? This is we have studied in chapter 1 and chapter 2. Next chapter 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, till the 6. Now the charge is actually moving with some constant velocity. What is it here? Charge is not at all equal to 0. Okay, charge is actually constant. If it is constant, acceleration will be what is it here? 0. Am I correct? So there is no change in speed, there is no change in velocity. Acceleration is compulsorily will become 0. Yes or no? Now in this situation, this is moving. So automatically it will generate electric field will not be equal to 0. But again there is a generation of magnetic field. What is this one here? Magnetic field also there. Yes or no? Not equal to 0 in the sense here it will generate a electric field as well as a magnetic field also. Yes or no? That also we studied, right? Till the 7th chapter, this is what we studied, right? Next, the last chapter, which is now the magnetic waves. Waves in the sense, what is that now? It will actually charge is not at all, the speed is not at all equal to 0, but speed is actually varying, a variable. Yes or no, it is varying. So acceleration, what happens here? dv divided by dt, right? So it will not be equal to 0. It will not be equal to 0. Yes or no? So whenever there is acceleration, it will actually possess with what is it here? Electric field is also there, magnetic field is also there, and there is one more additional things also will come, which is EMW. Means electromagnetic waves also will generate. Yes or no? Means electromagnetic wave in the sense, what is the meaning of this one? Here you will generate EMW by the two ways you can generate. Okay, one is a radiation, we call it. What do you call this one? Radiation. Other one is what is it here? Other one is what is it here? Whenever it moves with an acceleration, it also generates a heat also. Yes or no? Radiation is also part of heat only. Okay. So, but it will generate a radiation. So, whenever the radiation, I can say this radiation will exhibit certain colors. Okay, Webjar colors and all it will exhibit. Now, electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves is a best example is light. Light is a electromagnetic waves. Mean this light will possess with what is it here? It will have a electric nature, means electric field also there, and a magnetic field also there. Yes or no? Both it will be there. That's why the electromagnetic waves are so powerful. Okay, and they does not require a medium to propagate. They can pass through vacuum also. Yes or no? Light can travel through vacuum also, right? Yes or no? Sound waves are there. They will not travel through the vacuum. Reason? They require a medium. But these waves we does not require any medium. Yes or no? Are you getting my point here? Yes or no? Now, before that itself, we'll need to learn few things here. Okay. So those concepts will not discuss in the previous chapter, but here we'll try to discuss those concepts. Yes or no? So did you understand this one? It is an introduction. Many chapters we have already studied this one. So you remember. So what is it here? If the particle is at rest, it will be electric field will be there. Magnetic field is completely zero. If it is moving with a constant speed or uniform speed, what is it? Electric field will be there, but and also magnetic field also there. Here what happens? Electric field, magnetic field, and EMW is also generated. EMW will be coming because of what is it here? Radiation, or you can say heating effect. Yes or no? So now this EMW will have what is a property? Electric field means electric property as well as a magnetic property. They are powerful and they don't require any medium. They are also called as non-mechanical waves. So about this part we'll discuss little later, but before that there are certain concepts are there, we need to be very clear with those. Okay, so in such concept we have a topic name called as a displacement current. What is the name of this one here? Displacement current. Just put a heading now, displacement current. Now from here the chapter will start. Okay, just put a heading now, displacement current. Draw the figure, everyone. This is called IC. Can you see inside this one a current which is going is IC, which is called as a conduction current or conductive current, you can say. Yes, ma'am. Go buddy. Draw the figure, everyone. That plate is actually capacitor plate. Okay. Fast. So displacement current is a different sort of current. Okay. We'll write its definition, but before that you have to draw this figure properly. So these two plates are there, no, P and Q plates. These plates are called as a capacitive plate. Means capacitor has a two plates, right? Parallel plates. So this P and Q are the capacitor plates. Or we can say parallel plates. This conduct displacement current you denote with a I suffix D. You can denote it like that. Done. So now listen buddy. See, no need to be artist, draw it little faster. Okay. Two plays drawing this much time, na? Where is Shabari? Left. So it is a अरे यार क्या हो रहा है? Now listen, this battery is there, no? This battery, or you can say cell, which is continuously varying. Okay, variable battery, this one, or variable cell you can say. Can you all see it is clear from the back side? Okay. Come. Are you feeling well now? What happened? Got married or what? Huh? Best fellow? Sheena? Or doing hypnotism, huh? Ah, okay, buddy. Carry on. Right, buddy. Okay. Now, logic you should understand here. So, whenever, listen, in this circuit, first understand, we'll write about it later. First understand what is it. Now, see inside this circuit, the conducting current is flowing. Am I correct? And the capacitor, this is what is this here? It's a capacitor, just enlarged one. Right? So, the plate in between, what is it here? Field lines will move or not? What is this one? E indicates what is it here? Electric field lines move from, because all the positive charges will be accumulated on this one. So, this positive charges will give you field towards the negative charge. Am I correct like this? So now we should understand something, how this capacitor is able to store the energy. We studied that it will store the energy, but whenever you are keeping the electric field, it is going through it from positive charge to negative charge. So entirely it will be storing as a electric field like that, or electrical energy I have studied. Am I correct? But what happens here? This entire conduction current, means entire conduction current, now when it goes into this one, it is converting into some other current. What is this current is here? Displacement current. What is that current here? Displacement current. You don't want that bottle. Why are you playing? So now, so this current, basically any current passes through the conductor. Around that, what happens here? It will generate a magnetic field or not? Are you getting my point here? So here it will generate a magnetic field. So you can see here this loop you can see, right? This loop, it means around this one, what is it here? We can generate a magnetic field, right? Okay, fine. Now what is happening, right? So inside this capacitor, there is something also happening. Every time this electric field will change. What is it will change here? Electric field will change. So flux will be there, no? Flux of electrostatic flux, yes or no? Electric flux you have studied. So what is that here? Electric field into area of cross section into cos theta, I can see it. Yes or no? But here, if this electric field is changing now, flux also changes, right? Are you getting my point here? So in between the capacitor, what happens here? Electric field will change. So due to that electric field, what happens here? So change in electric field will create a magnetic field. What are you getting here? Changing electric field will get a magnetic field. Earlier just a current is passing around, that automatically magnetic field generate. But inside this what happens here? Due to change in electric field, there is magnetic field also generates. Okay, and due to change in this electric field, flux also changes. This entire conduction current will be changed into what is that here? Displacement current. Are you getting my point here? So there are certain things we will try to study. You remember Ampere circuital law? Ampere circuital law? Yes or no? What is it now? If the current is passing like this, we'll draw an Ampere circuital law, circle loop. Yes or no? So closed integration, what is it here? B into dl bar. Yes or no? Because the length of one of the one of the what is it element will take in the loop, and will that is equal to what is it here? What is it? That is equal to mu into current flowing through that. He will say, aisa no, that current is what is it here? This conductor is flowing, so conductive current. Am I correct? Am I correct? Now what about this one inside? There is problem or not? Whenever there is a conduction current flowing through this one, we know magnetic field will be generated. But what about inside the capacitor? Inside the capacitor also you can generate. But there what happening here? This electric field is changing, and the inside the capacitor there is a different sort of current, that is a displacement current will come. Okay. So what he will do? This Ampere circuital law will be there. No, that he'll little bit changes he'll make it. Yes or no? Are you getting my point here? So how many currents you have studied now till now? You have studied a direct current, you have studied a alternating current. Now which one you are studying? A displacement current. This displacement current causes because of change in electric field inside the capacitor. That you have to remember. Clear? So those things only will write. So just see, I'll explain you here. So this is a Maxwell. Who did this one here? Maxwell. You see this electric field inside this one, how is they are moving? So obviously they are not in a straight line, they are moving like this. Yes or no? See the little bit curved one. So curved means every point it will change or not? If I draw one curve like this, I have to see electric field is like this, like this, like this. Every time the direction of electric field is changing or not? Obviously electric field will change. What is this ray? Electric field is what is that? It is a vector quantity. So it should have, what is it here? Magnitude it should have. Plus what is it here? Direction. Are you getting my point? Even if you change the magnitude, even if you change the direction, automatically electric field will change. Are you getting my point here? So that's what we will try to write. So before that, you just write down this point. The definition we will try to write down. Write down the definition. What is a conduction current or a conductive current and displacement current? Chalo, write down. This one we'll write afterwards, but write the definition of conduction current. So you know conduction current will come due to flow of charges in a conductor. This points you should underline. Displacement current will be what is it here? Due to the changing the electric field between the plates of the capacitor. Please underline this one. It can be asked as a viva also. Not done fast. Srinath? Why today this many people are absent? What happened? Korean died. What happened? Absent. Is there any special today? No? Is it done? Next class is 12 meter. Formula you can write. Ampere circuit law. This is a correction of Ampere circuit law actually. Are you writing this one now? Don't write. We will anyhow derive and will write. Okay. Just a definition you write down. This one conduction current due to the flow of charges. Displacement current due to the changing in electric field between the plates of the capacitor. Okay. Then I guess. Shall we come to the actual thing now? We'll write this one later. Okay. Shall I? Now, this one will write later. Okay. After seeing all the concepts, this box will write later. Okay. Chalo, this one. Now you write down this. According to whom here? Maxwell. Changing the electric field intensity is equivalent to the. We already wrote these things. Okay. Are you clear? So no need to write again and again. All these things no need to write. Just see this diagram. Can you see the diagram? First see the diagram, buddy. Now you see every time electric field is changing. I am telling you how they are changing. Either the direction I can change, either the magnitude I can change. Yes or no? So obviously when they are in a circular or curved mode, electric field will change the direction. Yes or no? So due to that, electric field also changes. So changing in electric field, what is that I will create here? Displacement current. Earlier how much, what is the current I am having here? Conduction current, IC. But inside the capacitor, what is that I have? ID, displacement current, because it coming because of a change in a electric field. Then after that again this one discharge, no, what happens here? IC. It comes out as a IC only. But inside it, what is that? We have a displacement current. Is it okay? So displacement current formula will try to derive. So according to the Maxwell, what he did is electric field is equal to, can we write for a plate? For a plate, charge density divided by epsilon. Yes or no? What is the sigma here? Sigma is a surface density. Surface charge density. We have studied this one for 2 months. Yes or no? Q by A. So here, what is that here? Surface charge density by epsilon naught. So Q by epsilon naught into A, I can do it. Yes or no? But what is that here? You know, right? Charge on the plate's capacitor increased by. So dq is equal to, what is this one? I dt. We know the formula for this one also. This is a current formula. What is the current here? Current is change in a charge divided by change in time. Am I correct? Next, change in electric field, that is a dE. You are actually this particular equation you are differentiating. When you differentiate, what you will get it here? You will so dE is equal to d here. If you differentiate dq by here, what is that I can write? dt also comes. dq by dt is nothing but I'm very sorry, I'm sorry. So we are actually applying the change on the both the side. Change in the sense this electric field change and charge is change. Yes or no? So which is written as charge change is nothing but I into dt. Can I replace? Yes or no? So change in current means dE by dt will be is equal to, what is that here? I into d naught by dt. So here basically what I am trying to do now. So this equation I am going to differentiate, which is a dE divided by dt, which is equal to, what is that I can get it here? 1 by A will be same only. So dq divided by dt. Can I write like that? Yes or no? Epsilon naught also like that only. dq by dt will be, what is that here? I. Yes or no? I divided by A into epsilon naught. That is what you will get it, right, when you differentiate. So here he is writing that only. Here some formulas. You can write this one. And d by dt is equal to I divided by epsilon naught. Can I write like that? Next step is what is that? I is equal to epsilon naught into d by dt. Can I write? Next step, what is that here? If dE by dt, if A is if you multiply inside, because it is a scalar quantity, no, I can multiply. E into A is nothing but what is it here? A flux. So epsilon naught into d pi divided by dt. So displacement current formula will be what is that here? Epsilon naught into d flux E divided by dt. Yes or no? Got it? Note down. Yeah, just from here you can start. According to Maxwell, like that you write down. Then you write this. From here you can start. Chalo. Draw the figure also. Continuation. What is heading there? Idiot. This displacement current. Do it. What? Add idli, huh? Morning, if you eat apple, na, it will increase the sugar. Idiot. Okay. What is it? Paragraph no need to write. Chalo, do it fast. Here you can write like this. Change in electric field d by dt is equal to this formula. No need to write that paragraph. Paragraph you have studied 100 times, I guess. I think 200 times also capacitor. Just draw the figure. How you are changing electric field, na? Like that it is changing. So here it will be positive charge. Here it will be negative charge. Srinath. Oh, present. Sorry. I'm really sorry, Srinath. You're present? Shabri has a stomach ache. Why every time stomach ache will come? Raja, tell me, what would be the problem? Healthy food only, no? You're eating, eh? Chabali is not there. So did you write here? Change in electric field is nothing but what is that? I'll get I A epsilon naught. Now I is equal to epsilon naught into A into d by dt. Area is constant, so I can multiply also inside EA, and that will be the formula for the displacement current. Even you know, got it? Huh? Finish, buddy. Shall I move on? So next, write down the Ampere circuit law can be written as, now it can be written as how do you write here? You will add, instead of the conduction current, one displacement current also you will add. Yes or no? Then this equation become consistent. Okay? Is it done? Okay? So the correction is made by whom here? Maxwell's. Right, buddy? Any difficulty now? Then Srinath. Very good. Chalo. Atre Harihara. Sleeping. Waste fellow. Shall we, buddy? So there are other things also we should actually see. Maxwell's equation. We also call other things because Maxwell has contribution towards every equation. Okay. So you see Gauss law equation we have studied right in electrostatics. This is also comes under Maxwell's equations only. Okay, this Gauss law second one is also in magnetism we have done integration of BDS. What is this here? Flux, electric flux. This is what is this here? Electric magnetic flux. What is a magnetic flux in a Gaussian surface? Zero. Yes or no? Because if you place the magnet north to south in one of the Gaussian surface, what happens? Field lines never comes out. So what is it here? So flux B will be what is it here? 0. This also comes under Maxwell's equations only. Next, you also studied a Faraday's law also in EMI. Change in flux by change in time. So here, this is a, what is this? Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. What is it I can write? This is not correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. This is EMF. Yes or no? EMF E is equals to what is that here? EMF E is equal to negative change in flux B by dt. Then Ampere's Maxwell's law just now we studied, which is the fourth equation. Closed integration B dl is equal to mu naught IC plus ID. Yes or no? Next mu naught IC plus mu naught ID by dt. We can write the flux by change in flux by change in time. And then we have a Lorentz force. Lorentz force also we studied in moving charges and magnetism. F bar is equal to Q E bar plus B bar, because the charge is moving now, it will have a electric field and magnetic field. So the Lorentz has created one of the relation with it, that is this one. So these are all known as Maxwell's equations also. Okay, note down. Is it done? Is it done? Finish? Okay, waiting for a while. Uh, Srinath is legend. Copied from someone. Because of you, I am getting late here. Slowly writing, slow like moonwalk. Huh? Do it faster. Okay, we'll do some question now. Write this question fast, faster. Figure shows a capacitor made of two circular plates, each of radius 12 centimeter and separated by 5 mm. Yes or no? 5 mm means the distance between them is how much area? 5 mm. The capacitor being charged by external source as shown in figure. The charging current is constant and equal to charging current means what is that buddy? It is a conduction current which is IC. How much value? IC value 0.15 amperes and the data is already given. Yes or no? The middle one is actually the smaller coil and upper one is what is that here? Second loop. Loop 1, loop 2 like that you can consider. So loop 1 is how much here? 6.5. What is the radius of this one is 6.5 and this one is how much here? 50. So if I just try to show you here, the middle one is what is that here? Which is how much? 6.5. Radius is 6.1. Other one is that is how much here? 15. Got it? Now calculate the capacitance and the rate of changing potential difference between the plates. That's your first question. Second one is obtain the displacement current across the plates. That is your question. Not done fast. Okay, now shall we start? Okay, Srinath, I am waiting. Can you calculate capacitance first? Capacitance C is equal to A epsilon naught into D. Yes or no? We know that 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is nothing but 9 into 9, 9 into 10 power 9. So epsilon naught is nothing but what is that here? What is the formula? Epsilon naught value I'll give you. I'll provide a epsilon naught value. Mm, what? But Jyotika, you want to get out? Jyotika, huh? Shall we? You want to? Then why are you laughing like anything? You want to die or what? Now area is what is it here? Pi r square. Yes or no? This is a plate area which is a pi into r square is nothing but what is it here? 12 into 10 power minus 2 whole square pi r square, and epsilon 2 is nothing but what is it here? 1 divided by 4 pi into 9 into 10 power 9. Yes or no? And the distance between them is how much here? 5 into 10 power minus 3 mm. Okay. So if I solve it, I'll give you the value. You can check it. That is 80 into 10 power minus 12 farad it will come. Note down. Okay. So capacitance is already, I have calculated it as a 80 into 10 power minus 12 farad. Just check after this. The rate of change of potential difference between the plates I am asking you. Means you know already formula. What is that rate? Q is equal to, we have a C into V. If I use a differentiation here, dq by dt is equal to what is that here? C into dv by dt. Can I do it like that? Dq by dt is nothing but what is that? It is current. Which current is this one? Conductive current. Shano? Change in. So what is it? Current here? Current is equal to C into dv divided by dt. Here we already have a 0.15 amperes. I am asking you what is that here? Change of potential difference between the plate. That's a question, right? It's dv by dt I am asking you. Okay? Do it. So can I erase this one? What are you doing, right? Till now? Idiot? So what is it? Next question is this one here I am doing. dv by dt, which is nothing but what can I write? I divided by C. I is how much here? 0.15. Capacitance is how much here? 80 into 10 power minus 12. What is the answer? Answer I am directly writing here. You can check it here. 1.8 10 power 9 volt per second. Correct only. 1.9 is also correct. 1.9 into 10 power 9 also correct, because approximately we can go through. Why? The question is not solved here. Come here, bring your notes. I want to check it. Come. Next one is obtain the displacement current across the plate, which will be equal to what is it here? Equal to the conduction current only, which is 0.015. How I will show you. So second one, displacement current ID is equal to what is that I can write? What is that I can write? What is change in? So epsilon naught A into change in, can I write like that, or else we can write epsilon naught into change in flux C divided by change in time. Both are same only. E is nothing but what is that here? Epsilon naught into A. E is nothing but what is that I can write? So d by dt. E is nothing but Q divided by A into epsilon. Yes or no? Because E is nothing but what is that here for the plate? E means electric field is equal to sigma divided by epsilon naught, or else Q A epsilon naught also I can write it. So from there epsilon naught into A, and here 1 by A into epsilon naught is also taken out, dq by dt. So A into epsilon naught, A into epsilon naught cancel, dq by dt is nothing but conduction current only, no? So that is equal to how much here? 0.15 amperes. Means conduction current will converted into what is it here? Displacement current. Chai, I told you something. Show your notes, come here. So tomorrow you have a test of AC, study and come. If you completed, please leave. Yeah, IC will convert into ID. ID will again convert into what is that here? IC. It can be converted into. Is it done?